Yo, what's good, everybody? Happy Saturday. We're going live for a little rec trading as usual. It's great to have everyone here. Not a lot of price action in this weekend. We got a little poll going. Please vote in the poll. Smash the like button for the new stream. Subscribe if you haven't, but I'm sure all like 20 people that are here at the very start of this stream are already subscribed. So welcome back, fam. Good to have you. Good to have you. Let's see. What's new? We're going to do a little trading here just because it's boring. Not a ton of volatility, so I don't know if we're going to get too many trades in. We'll see what happens. As always, none of this stream is financial advice. This is just for entertainment, having some fun while the charts are boring. I'm trying to get the music started, and it's not starting. We'll see what happens here. There we go. There we go. Get some tunes going, getting the vibe. Getting the vibe. That's good stuff. Hope everybody's doing all right. What is this? Every time. Hope everybody's doing good. Let's let people find their way in. I just added everybody, sent out the ping. I have some bad news about our predictions yesterday, but that's okay. That's the way trading goes. What the heck? I always have trouble at the very start. Bear with me here. This just gives you time to smash the like button, join the Discord, etc. There we go. There we go. I'll pull up the trades while we're here. So we got some fills. I don't know if we wanted these fills at this point, but we got the fills. Our beautiful, wonderful, flawless inverse head and shoulders pattern is not going so hot. So this may be a very special wrecked edition. We're going to find out. If you want to see me get wrecked, smash that like button. If you want to see me not get wrecked, smash that like button. It really goes both ways. Okay, I think I got everything going. Right? I think I got everything going here. We should be good. Copy link to tweet. All right, got that tweet out. All right, let's rock and roll. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. So fills. We did hit our take profit at some point last night. We hit our take profit at 29.950. Price is now fallen down to, let's see, the low, I think 28.5. We did fill back our contracts at just about 29, and I don't think that really impacted our entry. Our average price 29.5. So currently we are underwater. We're getting wrecked. We're down 20 bucks unrealized on this trade long. Probably stupid trying to add at that yearly open, but we did it because why not? We got some bigger orders. We share our orders here. We share the losses. We share the wins. We share where we're placing them. The reasoning behind them. We're going to go through a little analysis so we can get a warm-up going. And turn this music down. Holy heck, that's loud. Let me know how the sound is. If it's too loud, I think it should be good.
I know you're a monster.
It's loud on my end. I just turned it down. What? We can get a little analysis going here so we can get a view of the land. We got our stop loss unhit, but price is kind of inching down towards it. Yesterday we were looking at a beautiful pattern, and I'm saddened. Because it does look like that pattern broke. It hasn't reached our invalidation point. We said, all right, we got a really nice looking inverse head and shoulders here. We have a nice neckline. We have a back test of that neckline. We have our go signal. Market's not having it. We've bled off down, kind of flirting with this 2020 open. Right now, 29K is the most important value on the Bitcoin chart. Bulls need to defend it, even part of why I put those long orders there. Just adding to that wall. Don't do this at home. Really hoping we retake that. Or else it is looking likely our stop loss gets hit. And then we get wrecked. It's happened before. It may happen again. But let's start with the fresh chart. But before, let's go through May 9th. We slayed. We slayed. We were in a short. We covered. We added. We covered. We covered a little more. We added. And price continued to the downside. May 9th was a great trading day. Let's see. Where's May 11th? We were in a short. I'm sensing a theme here. When we're in a short, we tend to slay it. And lately in the longs, we have not. So we added short up here at 30. TP'd. Added short on the back test. TP'd. Had a big old TP at 27.6. And that was the end of our trading day. So actually, yeah. I'm seeing a pattern here. We're doing better on the shorts. Maybe we need to go short more. Maybe we'll look to do that today. Let's get a view of the land. So the CME. Let's look at CME, because CME closed last night. It's always worth knowing where it's closing. CME closed at 30,000. What a specific freaking number, right? 30,000. Something interesting, and, you know, again, we did say this, like, back here, so I don't want people to think this is, like, a great signal, but a lot of the time, when we do see kind of unexpected rallies, CME does close down, moves up a little bit, kind of have the same setup here. Yes, we had that before, didn't play, but here we are again. Something to keep in mind, that if we see into Monday, or into, I guess, Sunday at 6 p.m., whatever, East, we could have a nice little fake out on CME, and that could lead to some upside. That wouldn't be too crazy. It really wouldn't be too crazy. Let's check out the day. That wouldn't be crazy because we've fallen so hard so fast. It was interesting to me. I posted, by the way, guys, if you watch the shorts that I post, please don't. They're not designed for this viewership. The shorts are like really not great content. They are to feed TikTok. And honestly, I think they're helping find new viewers, though, because not everyone understands what we're talking about on these live streams while we're trading. And so the real kind of dumb, easy content, I think, brings more boys to the arts, just like the milkshakes. So let's add back on our yearly open. And we're going to go back to the day. So we have some very spiciness. Bitcoin very undecided and in like complete Bitcoin fashion. Of course, we're going to end up closing CME here. Of course, the dailies are going to flirt with this level. It's super uncomfortable, and that's what Bitcoin does. Let's start with some positives here. That rebound. Oh, I was talking about the shorts. It was amazing to me how many people thought Bitcoin didn't trade below 26,000. I had like a bunch of comments like, Bitcoin didn't go to 25K. Yeah, it did on Coinbase. It went to 25,300. I don't know where these people are getting this from. I don't know what they're looking at. But I do like the buyers. We found some buyers there. That pushed price pretty much back to the yearly open. So intra-candle, this was 2 days ago. This is all just review. We sold off and then rebounded 14%. That's not a terrible thing. Coinbase itself, not the hugest volume, but I do like that volume has been increasing. And if we look at other exchanges, which we're not actually going to do here because we're going to get into the trading, something that I think is Bybit had some very high volumes there. So it's interesting to see the derivative market really trading hard down at those levels, and the spot market definitely trading hard, but not quite at that same level. What I loved about yesterday's close was we closed above the yearly 2021 bearish engulfed yearly line. That's some good news. Some very, very good news. Without that, this would be looking worse. Unfortunately, today we're trading back down below. And just as we looked at in yesterday's stream, and we even closed a bunch of our longs right at this level, 31,000. We see resistance here from May 10th and May 11th. This little sold off rally. Traded up, got sold off. The dailies opening at 31. And so what I don't love about yesterday is it came up to that $31,000 resistance and sold off. That's not ideal. It's not ideal. So we have that resistance there now to deal with. And obviously today, not seeing so much upside. likely because of the rejection from there. But if we zoom in super close, we're going to have another very important value for today's day trading, and that's going to be yesterday's open. So this is going to act as both resistance and support, and it's going to be very close to 28,990. I'm going to label this again. This is 2021 open. There we go, just so you guys have that as a reference. And then intraday, we're going to have another one. Man, this is rough. This is rough. These values are so close together, it is going to be difficult to really maneuver in the way we have been to kind of flow through. This is going to be difficult. I think something we absolutely need to acknowledge, we don't need to go all in on leverage, but something we need to acknowledge is the day did close with waning selling momentum for the first time, I think, in a week. That's a plus. That's a plus. That's something that we really can't be upset about. We want to see this continue, this trend, and it looks like even if today closes bearish engulfed on the daily, that's still going to be waning momentum. That might not make sense, but it actually does. Actually does make sense because this selling was so intense, that even if price is still selling off, it isn't selling faster. So it's just, in comparison, selling slower. That's a positive thing. We want to see that continue out, and we want to see momentum on the daily roll back over to positive. So there's a plus. Market Cipher's green dot on the daily did hold into close. VWAP is up. Money flow is still not convincing me that it is bullish, but we are starting to see the first symptoms. We're starting to see the first tingles of a reversal or a bottom. Local or macro, we don't know. RSI on the daily is so floored that it's going to be hard to sell into this. This market is really oversold, and that is obvious by the chart on the daily, man. No bounce. This is going to be really obvious. Let's throw on our fib retracements. Can see really from the bottom, we've only hit the 236. It's a very shallow retracement. Ooh, someone's breaking the subscriber virginity. What's up, Mix YouTube Videos? Thanks for subscribing. Taking the stream's subscriber virginity. Good to have you. If you're out there and you haven't subscribed yet and you're a new viewer, or not, if you just haven't, smash that subscribe button, hit the like button for the live stream, guys. I say this every time, I'm going to say it again. Anytime you chat during the live stream, vote in the polls, subscribe while we're live, or hit the like button while we're live, YouTube counts that as engagement. The more engagement we get, YouTube says, hey, people are enjoying this stream. So it sends more new viewers to the stream, and we have been experiencing this. At the moment, we may be the fastest growing crypto channel on YouTube. We have seen some crazy growth over the last 2 weeks. Most channels are pretty stagnant right now, and that's because you guys are kicking ass, hitting that like button, subscribing, etc. So keep it going. I do appreciate it. It does make a difference. That's the big thing, is it makes a difference. When you like it or subscribe, more people then get exposed to us, join our fam. It's good stuff. It's good stuff. So thank you all. We can get 420 likes. We've been getting 1,000 likes actually recently. I'm not going to say we need to get 1,000 because that's a pretty big number, but if we could, let's go for it. The music turned off for no apparent reason. Or maybe this is a really long song. I don't know. I think real fast what I should do is, we said make sure to smash the likes and subscribes. What's up, Bruce Wayne Jr.? It's Batman's son. That's badass, man. Good to have you. I do want to shout out, as we have to. This channel is brought to you by Market Cipher and Phemex. They keep the lights on for us. Great leading in the industry brands there. Market Cipher, you'll see me use this indicator, this bad boy right here, every single day. I did it long before they were our sponsor of our channel. And Phemex, that's what we're trading on. Amazing exchange as well. Links in the chat and in the video description below. Check them out. Sign up using my links. You'll help the stream out a little bit, and you're using these things anyway. So, win-win. Love it. Love it. Let's keep rolling. Does not look like any of our orders are going to fill anytime soon, so we're going to have to probably get into small time frames. But I really wanted to point out the day. The daily is set up. Yes, we had waning selling momentum before, back here in April. Price went sideways and then fell. So this is not out of the woods stuff. We talked about this yesterday. We're not out of the woods for quite some time. And in fact, 37.7 all the way up here, 37.7. This is a resistance I believe is likely to be hit. Even if we're going to continue lower, in whatever doom scenario you have in your mind, 37.7 would be the 618 retracement here from our 48K high to our 25K low. And that's pretty logical. Our 0.5 sitting at 35,000, going to be another resistance as well. We have a long way to go, and this is still zoomed in. This is still local. Like, if we want to look at the big picture, we have so much ground to make up. So much ground to make up. It is pretty miserable. It's pretty miserable. If you're feeling miserable out there, you're not alone. We're here. We're not going anywhere. We streamed all through the last bear market. If we're in a bear market now, we're going to stream all through this one. And hopefully you guys join us for that. We're just a community. You're welcome to be bearish or bullish here. I'm typically bullish on the macro permanently, but does not mean I'm always on a long trade. We are in a long trade today, but it does not feel comfortable. What I was saying here, 618 for the macro movement all the way up to 60K, all the way down to 25K. We have 47,000, and this is where we typically would look. We did reject basically from this level back in April. Was it March, April? And that was also the 200 daily moving average. We literally said on this channel the same thing we said last year down here. We want to go, or I wanted to, take a short position on low leverage, very low, like 1-2x, to hedge my portfolio at 48K. I did it in 2021, and it was epic. I closed it down here 6 months later, collected funding the whole time. I did not, and this is one of my biggest failures now, I did not remember to set my limit order. I didn't. I said it over and over again in the stream, and I forgot to set it, and so I missed it. I should, by all means, be in that hedge right now, but that's my punishment. That's the make a plan, stick to it. If you don't stick to it, there's no point of having a plan. You get wrecked. So we have a lot of distance to get, a lot of distance to cover to even be back in like possible bull run again territory. I think above 47 or 48 is where we can start saying, all right, this is, maybe we've capitulated, maybe we're going to be moving to the upside again. For now, we're chilling down here in Goblin Town. It's not a lot of fun. Let's zoom in because we're going to do day trading. We're going to do some day trading. We're not, yeah, we're doing day trading. Crap, I don't like this. So we lost that 2020 open. And we also, looks like on the daily, yep. You can see these are very close together. This is going to be a zone of resistance. They're so close together, there's almost no point of doing it. But I'm going to go ahead and do it anyway. We're just going to make this a red box. Make this a red box to remind us that there's two resistances very close together. I got rid of this white border because it's ugly. There we go. Boom. We can see prices actually rejecting from it potentially right now. What's up, Quiz? Good to have you, Quiz. Thanks for subscribing. We're going to start on the 1. Let's see what the 1's looking like. Down to the 1 minute chart. Very, very low time frame. I'm going to actually undo something I did yesterday. There we go. Boom. I'm not hating it. I'm not hating what I'm seeing on the 1. That's not bad. The 1, I like this high money flow. I like these momentum waves moving up higher. Obviously, right now we're seeing maybe the push to the pool, falling back down with a trigger wave here and a lower low. So not the best, but there's a little bit of pep to its step here. That could be worse. Let's zoom out a little bit to this 5. Waiting momentum. All right. Zooming out to the 5. Ooh. 5 minute not looking terrible. Kind of the same image, same picture as the 1 minute. We have our momentum waves coming up. This isn't really the best, but we do have a higher high. That's nice. VWAP had some strength here. And does it look like? Ooh. It looks like we have a lower or a higher swing low on our negative money flow for the 5, and that could suggest it's looking to roll over. That's backed up definitely here by these negative momentum waves. We see those lows coming up. We see the highs coming up. So what we're going to look for here in today's stream is we're going to be watching the 5 minute momentum, and we're going to be looking for it to give us a little fake out, give us a crossover. We don't have it yet. It's simply falling. But we're going to look for that to cross over. And if it does, that's going to be a pretty solid signal for the short term. And that's maybe going to be tradable. We'll find out. 15 really finding resistance there. Is that a bearish engulf? Dang. A minute ago, while I was blabbering on, the 15-minute closed bearish engulf from our resistance. That's not great. That's not great. We do have a little, I'll quote Jason Casper, a little uneven butt cheeks here. But that money flow is not agreeing. Momentum is really not really looking that great either. And here we go again. We've talked about this so many days in a row. This is what we don't want to see, and that is momentum. You think of a market as a push-pull or as a wave. I know that's overused, but a wave, meaning it doesn't just go one direction. It moves up and down. It waves, okay? Bears and bulls take turns, and here's a way we can view this. On Market Cipher, these blue lines, these blue waves are signifying momentum. And basically, when they're below zero, we're seeing the bears take their turn, and when it's above zero, bulls are taking their turn. This is what we don't like to see, and we've been seeing pretty often, is when the bulls take their turn, they're getting sold into very, very harshly. We can see that here. They're barely able to even take a turn. Bears are hogging the turn. That is not bullish. This is not making me confident. We see right here on the 15 that could be even about to pinch and fall farther. Dang, son. Our inverse head and shoulders not looking so hot here. Not looking so hot. Man, where is the bounce? So we had a little bit of bounce here. This isn't really even a bounce. No bounce. I think we gotta. Let's take a look at funding here quick. This might give us a good idea of what's going on. We're going to refresh it. Funding looking good, actually. Other than CoinX, who I'm going to complain about every day. CoinX, what are you smoking? Pass me some. Because CoinX is paying, I don't even know what percent this would be annualized, like 1,000% interest. Nah, it's probably like 100% interest a year to stay open on long, but that's going to be 0.18 or 118 per 8 hours. That's huge. If that doesn't mean anything to you, that's okay. Basically, when funding is negative, bulls do tend to get an edge, and when funding is positive, bears do tend to have an edge. And CoinX keeps throwing a wrench in this. So we have pretty much negative or neutral funding across the board. Bitmex is nice to see that negative 0.26. That's pretty encouraging. What's up, Johnny Childs? Thanks for subscribing, brother. Good to have you. I know today is going to be a slower day than it has been, but that's all right. That's all right. Not every day can be popping. Not a lot of volatility, but it's great to have all 500 of you. We'll get 1,000 by the end of the stream. 522, right on. We had a lot of bots, I think, the other day. If you're not a bot, say something in chat. Just anything. You just put the letter A or B or just type a bunch of gibberish like this. Send it. That way we can do a little check, see who's actually here. I'm digging that funding is negative. That's kind of what we want if we're in a long. What's up, Ben, Ken Saito, and Joel R. Rusu? We got 3 subscribers in a row. Triple kill. Good to have you guys. Funding on Phemex, though, we're positive at 0.18. That's positive, right? Womp. That's not good. That means we're long and we're paying to be long while price goes down. Not ideal. Not ideal. That's not what we want. Crap. I blame CoinX. Whatever it is, I blame CoinX. I blame mostly CoinX and Matt Damon. So this is looking pretty bad. This is looking pretty bad for our long. It was a risky play. We are coming off of a double top at 31,000. It's not on the daily, but it is on the 12-hour. We pointed that out yesterday. It's not on the daily, but it's on the 12-hour. We had a double top right at our local daily resistance at 31,000. We probably should have seen this coming. But that, man, this inverse head and shoulders pattern was too juicy to not play. It was too textbook. It was too textbook. We haven't seen the invalidation hit, but this does not look great. It does not really look like Does not really look like it has much hope. So let's see if we are going to look for a bounce today. 30,000. I'm so sick of taking profit at 30,000. I'm so sick of it. I don't want to do it. I refuse. I refuse. I don't even want to do it. Let's see. We're going to take it somewhere else then. Man. We got ourselves in a rough spot. In a rough spot. Let's see this. This looks like it's going to break down too. 28.8 for our 618. If we can hold that, we're actually pretty decent. I wish I would have started streaming a little earlier and I would have shut up a little earlier about the daily, because I probably would have looked to lock some in here on this resistance. Probably. Is this a back test? Dang. We might have lost the good trades. We might have missed them. I went live too late. That's okay. Something I do like about this in general is I do like this channel. I do like this channel. That does give us some hope. I mean, our invalidation for our inverse head and shoulders is down here 27.8-ish. And so if we can see, boom, something like that. Oh, I hope it doesn't hit our invalidation then bounce. We're likely to see a retracement. Likely to see a retracement if this pattern continues. Unfortunately, that does just put us right back at 30,050. So maybe we're just going to have to do that. That's so lame. We took profit at 30,000 like 4 times now. I don't want to do it again, but I guess I will. 29.5. Where did we fill last? 29. Okay, so cool. So we can actually fill. All right. We can look here. We can look here. Let me get these charts so I can actually see something. Okay. We can look here, 29.5. Since we filled a little bit right here at the yearly open. So our fill isn't really in that much danger. This was where we last added specifically for the 2021 open. It is down from there, but it's very, very close. Very, very close. But I just don't like how weak it looks. Should I set orders now or should I keep going in time? Ooh. Someone sent me a picture of a sweet grill. I need a sweet grill. Which means we can look to take profit anywhere above 29 here on these contracts. I'm liking kind of this 29.5 area. So let's put a contract here. We'll take a little bit of profit right here. Good. And let's place it at 30,000 again. I hate doing it. It's just so lame. It's so lame to trade the same prices, but that does seem to be how it goes. So we'll take a little bit there. We do have an ad below us. I'm feeling less comfortable about that ad. Feeling way less comfortable about that ad. Looking at 28.4 for that ad and the 27.5. Then we're going to try to stop it at 27.240. That's real close. I wish we could have hit this right here. I wish we did go long there, but I wish we could have closed. We could have just closed it there after it lost 29,000. Let's see. We're gonna keep going on the charts here. So far the 5 minute has the potential for rolling over, but I'm not sure we see it anywhere else. Actually, the 15 does too. Ooh, that 30 minutes so brutal though. We really wanted to stay in this positive money flow, but you can see on the 30 minute here, we did not, man. Bulls didn't even get a turn. We went right back down. We have a lower low. 30 minute is not looking good. Even VWAP slanting down, money flow slanting down. 30 minute is not showing us anything good. 45 a little bit more hopeful though. Okay. We've got a green dot on market Cipher. We've got our momentum pinching here, down very low, unfortunately, with a lower low. Not the most bullish. VWAP's coming up, so is money flow. So 45 minute might be... Ooh, good. It closes in 3 minutes. 45 minute might be showing us a little bit of love. With 3 minutes to go, though, it does kind of seem like it's selling into that close. That's just not great. That is not great, man. That is no bueno. Would be nice to see it close above 28.7. 28.7 on the 45-minute here. And I'm feeling a little better. Not feeling great. Not feeling great. That's okay. We've had a few winning streaks, so maybe it's time for a losing streak. Actually, the 45-minute looks pretty solid. We keep getting these rejections, and momentum tries to return to bullish, but the bulls just don't come in with enough strength. We saw that here. We're seeing it again. Hopefully this time the bulls can actually pull through. Maybe the hourly has some secrets. Okay. All right. All right. We have to go all the way out to the hourly to see something decent. This is a slightly higher swing low versus May 12th back here. Slightly higher, meaning it's coming up a little bit. What's interesting to me actually is this green dot. So you guys know on Market Cipher, shout out to Market Cipher. I don't use these green dots that much. They're not they're not the value for me, but they are for some people. But what's interesting to me is how many time frames we've seen this green dot now. If you remember back to the daily, we have a daily green dot down here. Those are not super common. The last time we got one was January of this year. So these don't happen all the time on the daily. That's not terrible to see. On the hourly, it just go away. On the 45-minute, it's there. On the 30-minute, we're coming off of 2. On the 15-minute, we're coming off of 2. It's interesting that we have so many of them. Now, these green dots don't mean it's the bottom, but they suggest that there is some kind of bottom. It could be very local, but typically they do suggest a reversal on some time frame. Let's make it easy. What's up, Endless Web, my man? Good to have you. Thanks for subscribing. Also, shout out to Crypto Plumber. Good to have you here. Emmanuel Morabito. Chol Arasu, Ben, Ken, Johnny Childs. That's a cool name. Thanks for subscribing, guys. Every time someone subscribes and hits the like button, YouTube then shows more people our stream, so it's always appreciated. It helps us grow. It's been working. It does make a difference, and I appreciate some of you do it every single day. You guys are the rocks of this channel. The rocks. The 2 hours. So this is where my issue was yesterday. The 2 hour looks like garbage. This swing high went nowhere. It did, I mean, it at least didn't get sold off immediately, like on the 4 hour. I'll show you that in a second. But it failed to make a higher high, and so that's not really what we want to see. We have VWAP very heavy. It just remaining negative like this. If you look kind of just even right here, you see VWAP doesn't tend to do this, and it actually did it twice in a row right here. We had it kind of hang out positive, and now we have it kind of hanging out negative. If you look here, in general, it tends to just go positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. So this is a little choppy territory with this long stretch of momentum down. Really what I'm looking for here, I should probably use trend lines, man. What we're looking for here is for this to catch before it exceeds its previous low on the 12th. That is possible, but I don't know if I want to bet on it. Even though we're long right now, I don't even know if I want to bet on it because it's pretty bad. We talked about this yesterday too. This hadn't happened yet, and we said, man, this setup could be very bad. The 4 hour is rolling over a little bit. It hasn't made a lower, or it made a lower money flow low here. Momentum was coming down, but what we're really worried about was this happening, and that happened. Going back to what I was saying earlier, bulls and bears kind of taking turns in the market. Look at the bulls' turn. On the 4 hour here, the bulls were unable to do anything. They literally were unable to do anything. They weren't even able to actually, like, take a turn. It was almost like the bears were like, here you go, just kidding. It was like shake your hand. Yep. Not great. Not great. Money flow has not exceeded its low, but it made or didn't set a lower low, so the 4 hour really isn't looking to roll over yet. That's pretty dang bearish. That's pretty bearish. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Huh. We're going to get wrecked. That's just what we do here, I guess. We're getting wrecked today. If we look at the bigger picture from the bottom of 25, 3, 2, 31, that local daily resistance, we're really only at the 382. It's a very shallow retrace. And so on a bigger perspective, a bounce here would be pretty strong. Problem is, we're not really seeing the bounce here, or at least not yet. So it'd be way too preemptive to say this is a shallow retrace and that there's strength here. What we commonly look for is that 618 retracement, and that's going to place it all the way down at 27.3. And if you remember, we have an ad at 27.5 for that reason, for that exact reason. That could definitely be in play. The thing that sucks is that it doesn't validate our low time frame inverse head and shoulders. I really wanted this to play out. Honestly, not because I wanted even to make money on it. I really wanted it to play out because it would be a perfect example to show people of like, look, this is, if we hide everything, this is a perfect inverse head and shoulders. You have the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder. You broke the neckline, which is right here. And then you came back and tested the neckline, and then you found buyers. It was perfect. It would have been such a good example to show people going forward, but we've trailed off, didn't hold, we didn't break through our high. We really had to like break through 31 for this to like then have a measured move to the upside. It didn't happen. And now if it does fall below the right shoulder here, this pattern's invalidated, and it's not a good example anymore. Screw you, Bitcoin. This is a perfect learning opportunity, and you're taking it away. You're taking it away. What is up, Word Spout? How you doing, brother? Tip Arpa Soda. Also subscribed. Lee Essex donated €5. Thank you, my friend. Thank you, my friend, for the €5. I think the €5 are going to be worth slightly more here into next week. I'm looking for a movement back to 1.04 here. Forex not trading on the weekends. I do like where the euro bounced right off of the support we had been eyeing. So I'm looking for a retest or a back test of 1.049. If it finds resistance, we're going lower. If it breaks through, euro's probably going to see a significant bounce. So I'm going to hold on to those euros. They could be worth more next week. What's up, Sean Rutk? Thanks for subscribing as well, man. Thank you, guys. You all rock. Make sure you're in the Discord. Jump in the Discord because after the live streams, we do little crypto airdrops, so you'll get some free sats or whatever it is we drop. It's not a lot, but it's free. We do them every live stream, and all you have to do is be in the Discord to get it. You don't have to do anything. We use the tip CC bot. It creates you a wallet. You can withdraw if you have enough to withdraw. You have to be able to pay the transaction fee. And it's just for fun, really. It's just for fun. But it's good to see that there's people, new viewers out there watching, chilling on this Saturday. We haven't really gotten into the trading. We did set some TP. But it's not looking like price really wants to go there. So we filled at 29.69. Nice. So where are we here? Let's go down. Let's go down. I'm gonna look for some kind of bounce. Some kind of bounce on the 5 here. I don't want to short lower than I entered, but I might have to. I might have to look to cut. I might have to look to cut some of this at 28.8. I don't want to do it. But I might have to do it. I might have to. Shite. Unless you give me the love right here. Unless you give me the love right here on the 1 minute. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh, that's deep retrace. I don't like that. I don't like it. I don't like it. Where are you going? Where are you going? We only have a little bit of time to do this. 28.91. 28.91. Let's do 28.900. Did I type that in wrong? Oh, I did. Oh, whoops. 28.944. Whoops. I just put one contract up at like 300,000. That's okay. If that fails, then it'd be fine. There we go. Let's see if we can shave that. See if we can shave that and add again lower. If you look at, we're down on the 5 minute. This is on Phemex itself. You see a little consolidation here. a lower high, and now you're seeing this consolidation acting as some kind of support. So what I'm looking for is a really weak bounce. So I probably placed this too high because I placed this based on Coinbase, not based on Phemex, because I'm an idiot. Let's do 0-0. Let's move that down. Now we have a much higher probability of that filling. Let's actually make this like 8-9-1. Looks about right. That looks about right. Consolidation. Do we have any divergence? No, we don't. We don't. But market Cipher is looking pretty... Actually, market Cipher is looking strong. This is 1 minute, guys, so don't make crazy trades based on this. Market Cipher looking pretty strong in the one here. And after this fall, I think right here is about right. 28.9. Okay. 28.9. I almost want to increase it. Almost want to make it a little heavier. Maybe we do one more contract, 28.8. Oh, no. Screw you. Screw you. You're not going to blow... The 1 minute is fickle, man. Don't trade on the 1 minute, guys. Not financial advice. None of this is financial advice. Are you seriously not going to give us any bounce? You're going to fade into this? You're just going to fade into this. Just drop these candles and fade. What? That's gibberish. It's gibberish. Get back up. Get back up. That's gibberish. Don't move that way. You're full of it. You're full of it. The market's lying to us right now. Watch this. It's lying. It's lying. Smash the like button if you want to see me lose money, because I'm probably about to. It'd be worth it. It'd be a well spent click to smash that like button. Come on. Come on. You're gonna get up. See, it's lying. I told you it's lying. Go back up. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It's lying. Watch, it's lying. Just watch it work. It's lying. The market's full of shit. It's full of shit. It's full of shit. Ooh, I didn't see this. 10 minute, dudes. We just keep seeing it. We keep seeing this like bears throw price up, or bulls throw price up, whatever. Bears pull price down. Bulls get a chance to bring it back up, and they just get hammered. Dude, these momentum swings to the upside are so tiny. They're so tiny. Look at them. It's like not even a swing. It's not even a swing. Yes. Keep it up. Keep it up. No. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We have a higher low. We have a lower low, a lower high, a higher low. You're consolidating right around here. Give me the retrace. Let me fill some short. Let me fill some short. Let's go. Now it's just gonna trade like this forever. Never fill anything. Son of a bee. How is it gonna fall like that and then not move? It's probably just very low volume going on. Weekend trading is never gonna be the most exciting trading, or very extremely rarely ever. What's the top of this? 30. Open 28869. So we'll do this. 28869. We're gonna match it. We're gonna match it, and we're gonna bump it up. Watch. We're baiting the market. We're saying, hey market, come test that 30-minute open. Here's some money. Come test it. Come test it. It'll be okay. It'll be okay. There we go. Go, go, go. I placed it. Go. Go, go. Go, go, go. We're baiting. We're baiting the whales. We put a little whale bait out. We said, hey, bud. Come on up here. We got a spicy little thing for you. We got something up here for you. This is where we're looking. This is where we're looking at TP. This is where we're looking at short. None of this is financial advice for those of you tuning in. You're just watching me lose money. If you take this as financial advice, you probably need to see a therapist. Basically, I stream, I trade, so you can watch me lose money instead of you losing money. It's a really good deal. It's win-win. You watch, I get more viewers. I lose money, you don't have to lose money. Yeah, it's like everybody wins, man. It's like everybody wins. Why are you not filling my short, you son of a bee? I try not to swear. I try to keep it family friendly. You bitch. You bitch. Go back up. Go back up and fill me. I still think it's lying. I still don't think it's going down. I still think it's coming back up here. It keeps doing this dance, but I don't trust it. I don't trust it. How many likes? Do we have 420 likes yet? We have almost 700 viewers. We only have 366 likes. WTF. Smash the like button. Let's get 420 likes. Do you guys not want 420 likes? What is this? What is this? I thought this was America. In America, we like 420 likes. Let's see. Ooh. I'm going to put in chat. So every time we go live, I tweet it. I tweet the link. Just, I don't know. It's like good social media practice. In the chat, I'm putting the Twitter link to the tweet for today. If you have a Twitter account, please like it, retweet it, etc. Follow me on Twitter as well. But let's get some more people in here. Let's get 1,000 people. Let's get 420 likes. Boom, we got 420 likes. We have the best viewers. Now we all have our 420 license for another day. Let's go. Let's go. LFG. LFG. God, this is so sketch. You think our short's gonna get in? Why? What is this? What is this crap? This is why. This is like a reason people don't trade on the weekends. Like, look at this shit. On the 1 minute, really, you're just gonna be right here. Just gonna be right here. You're not gonna move. You're gonna fall. You're just not gonna move. Okay, sure. In a 0.3% price range. Sure. Untradeable. Untradeable. Untradable. It's still lying. It's still going up. It's gonna go fill our short. Look at VWAP. Look at VWAP on the 1 minute. It's like, yeah, I'm listening to Tom. Tom's right. I'm lying. I'm gonna go fill a short. Thank you. Thank you, market. Do it. 5 minute. Come on. Pinch it up. VWAP, roll over. Pinch it. Have 1, 2, 3 higher lows with 1, 2 higher highs. Give us a third higher high. Fill this short. Fill our others. Fill our other ads. Let's see. Where are other short ads here? 29.5, 29.890, and of course 30,030 for some reason. I don't even remember why we placed that. 31,000. Come on. Suicide trading. Oh, does this hourly close in 20 seconds? F me. F me. This hourly closes in 20 seconds. No. No. We're gonna not get filled. No. We're gonna not get filled. Ah, trade up. Trade up. Trade up. Trade up. I'm not gonna short at 28.8, but I almost want to. I almost want to. I know it'll get filled if I do. This market is baiting me. It's baiting me. There. Nope. Lower. Where did this open? 28.78. 28.783. Oop, there you go. There you go, market. Take it. Take it. Take it. If it turned on Coinbase, I would have taken. Move, 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 move. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Fill it, fill it, fill it, fill it. Fill up. Fill up. Fill up. The candle is just trolling. It's just trolling. Look at this candle. It's just trolling. Opened in a gap. It's just gonna just not even moving. Not even moving. Look at that. What is this? What is this? Someone fill my orders. Coinbase would have filled my orders. All right. Really? Get it. Oh my gosh. What is happening? Is this real life? What is happening? Like, what? Like, what? Go. Do it. Coinbase already traded up 28.8. There it is. It filled. Yay. All right, we got our first trade in. First live trade in. Let's go. Let's go. There we go. We have filled. We have added one. Let's see where it goes. Nice. Go up, go up. I want you to go higher. So close. Told you the market was lying. 1 minute rolled over. 5 minute pinching. Let's go. Let's go. Weekend trading brought to you by all of you wonderful people. We've been live for an hour. We've had one contract fill. Ugh. But look at that. Contract filled and the candle turned red. That's funny. Gotcha. On the 1 minute, so we're super zoomed in. Here's kind of what I'm seeing now. We saw a very smooth fall. Now we're seeing what looks like, well, we'll call it a bear flag or an ascending channel or a momentum leg. This looks like it wants to fall again. Looks like it wants to fall. You can see it. It's very clear. You have momentum, leg, momentum. But I'm hoping it does this. We'll see how much these guys got in the gas tank. Man, this is some really low volatility. I might have to rethink weekend streams. We got 500 likes almost though, so pretty good. What are you guys thinking? Let's check out this poll. How's the poll doing? With 1,000 votes. Fam, I love you. 41% saying sideways. We've got the smartest viewership on YouTube. Easy. That's probably right. Price is 28.7. See me closed at 30. Probably gonna see 30K. Actually, let's check our max pains. Let's see if they've moved. And we'll refresh our funding is coming down on Phemex. That's good. Let's check our max pains for today. 30K. 30K today. So long makes sense. 29K tomorrow. Poop. I don't like to see max pain moving down. I do not like that. 33K by May 20th. 36K by May 27th. All right. So if we're going just by funding, it looks like kind of a 30K fall to 29K, up to 33K, up to 36K. So it looks like we have a little bit of a bounce, then a little bit of a lower drop, and then probably some kind of, whether it's a dead cat bounce or what, who knows. And this is just according to funding or to max pain on options, and that's just for May. Not a terrible outlook. Not a terrible outlook for May. I wouldn't mind closing it at 36. I mean, better than low, better than 25K. I'll take it. Let's go. 5 minute. Get spicy. So update our fundings. FTX, FU, stop going long. CoinEx, his funding's dropped a little bit. Seeing About the same across the other exchanges. BitGet negative, Phemex negative. What's really weird is how bullish people are on Ethereum. Look at Ethereum funding. I don't know if you can even see BitMEX's 0.75. 0.75 funding. So that means to go long, you are paying out the butt. Paying out the butt.
Do you watch YFI at all?
I have not watched. We've charted YFI before. I have. Well, thank you for the 10 first and foremost, my friend. Thank you. Thank you, Michael Norris. We've charted YFI many times in the past. We've been streaming here for like 3 years. Honestly, once YFI added to their total supply or whatever, they kind of like lost me as a crypto person. Like if you have a supply, look, it didn't even get the dead cat bounce. Didn't even get the 30,000 bounce. It doesn't look like it's holding 10,700 either. Wi-Fi looks nuked. But here's the thing, is like, it's not about Wi-Fi. All the altcoins are nuked. Alts are nuked right now. There's not going to be like, there's really not going to be, I don't know, anything to say about them other than they're nuked. When Bitcoin finally bounces, they'll all bounce too. They all have these really steep drops. They're likely to retrace some of that. Problem is, where do you have support? A lot of these coins are below like anywhere where there is support. YFI, you might find some at 7,500. But if you don't find it there, it's like this thing just drops down to like, who knows? Who knows, man? There's like very little anything below there. 10,000-ish right around here was where I was looking very, very long time ago. This line was drawn. Did not hold. Honestly, alts, I can't recommend getting into alts right now. I can't do it. It's just so dangerous. It's so dangerous, and I can show you why. Can show you why. This is why. This is why. Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is at 44%. May 11th, it was at 40%, so it's up 10% in only a few days. You look at this pattern. This is since 2011. This is a whole year, more than a year. It's just ranged here. If we're entering a bear market, this is what's going to happen. Dominance is going to rally back up. I would imagine 56%, maybe 60%. And as this happens, alts are going to bleed out of their eyes. They're going to bleed. You think you've seen blood? You haven't seen blood yet. Are you serious? You're not going to film me? I only have one contract. Well, the 1 minute wasn't lying. That is a failure. That's a rejection. Dang, look at money flows sinking. VWAP is all the way down. This 5 minute might be faking us out too. Well, at least we filled that one short. That's such a close, weird short. 5 minute could be faking us out. Hey, we had a beautiful setup. 5 minute. I thought we had an agreement. And look, there's only 15 seconds left and it's selling into the close. It's so lame. Buy up, buy up, buy up. Buy up, buy up, buy up. Buy up. How is that your bounce? How's that your bounce? How's this your fall and that your bounce? I'm just gibberish. It's gibberty-gook. At least momentum's chilling. Let's go back to that 45. 45 was looking decent. Did close bearish engulfed, though. That's probably not great. That's probably not great. Down she goes. Down she goes. Should we limit, or should we just like market some short right here and see what happens? I hate to market it, but it looks like I should have. Looks like I should have. Screw you. Screw you. That's what this channel's for, though. Come here to watch me lose money, so you don't have to. You can just sit there chilling and don't do nothing. You just pretend like you're trading alongside. What is this? What what is this? What is this? What is this? We gonna have to like add more short at 28.7? I don't want to do this. I don't want to do this. Wait, what? I don't think that that's sent. Come back. Come back and take our order. Let's chop it. No, that's way too low. Wait, what? 28,580. Hit both. Hit both. Boom, filled. Oh no. Yep. Yep. Take it, now go back up. Take it, now go back up. We started this down 20, now we're down 31. Life is over. No. It's got an alert, 29. Something broke, what? Ah, must have had an order there. Little wick. You see how we filled that long contract like at the bottom? And now we're just gonna boom, take profit on it as soon as it comes right back up to here. That's some moves, baby. That's some moves. I wish we were trading on Coinbase. This price action is being better. No. You can do it. You can do it, little bud. We're gonna short. We're gonna short the support. It was support. We broke it. Now it's resistance. We're gonna short it. Not financial advice. None of this is financial advice. Don't do this. Boom. There we go. That was actually pretty slick. That was actually really slick. We just were a market maker there. You watched it live, making the market. Price fell. We had a limit buy. It hit the limit buy. It went back up. Went back up. We filled the short. Boom. That was a nice little chop. That was a nice chop. I'll give myself that. That was mostly luck, but that was pretty sweet. That was pretty sweet. Nice candle. Nice candle, bulls. Let's go. But for some reason, not really registering. Ooh. 50 seconds. That's nice. 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 That's what we wanted. We flushed out. We must have flushed out the longs. Let's go. Let's go. Come fill my shorts. Boom. Boom. Where was that? What was that price at? Oh yeah, let's go. It's getting spicy. Getting spicy. Getting spicy. Getting super spicy. Not really. This is on the 5 minutes, so I was like... So, yeah. It's like not that big of a price move. But it's getting spicy because it hasn't moved at all. Come on. Boom. There it is. Oh, slick. We're going to fill again. Let's go. Give me the swipe sound. Give me the swipe sound. Give me the swipe. Swipe. There it is. Boom, boom, boom. What's that again? Let's just be psychos. You guys wanna? Should we risk on or just be psychos? No. Not with this trend line here. Not with this trend line. Not with that trend line. Let's see. Did that change anything up? Did this change the chart? Nice. We look at this. Jesus, dude, trading's so hard. It's like reading between the lines. So the 5 minute, we literally drew this, right? The 5 minute then here moved away. It's like faking us out, but then instantly crossed on that wick. Move back up. Now VWAP's flying. Momentum on the 5. This wick just changed the whole momentum of what was going on in this low time frame. Short ad 2. Look at our short ad 2. Red candle. Honestly, if you don't know what you're doing, please don't trade leverage. You can open up a paper trading account. You can trade all you want, and never lose a dime because it's just practice. Please don't do leverage if you don't know how to use it. But trading sometimes can be just as easy as selling at supports, buying at selling at resistances, buying at supports. It sometimes can be that easy. I don't want to say it is that easy, but you watched me just do it. Just like shorted he added my short here, right at resistance, boom. Price turns. This boop boop. Boop boop. Now I kinda wanna add here. It's such a bad play. It's way too aggressive. But I kinda wanna add here. 28,780. 28,780, should I? What did I fill? -2? Yeah, we'll do it. 28. What's the open here? Open 28769. 28769. Let's get it. Let's get it. Boom. Let's get filled again. I want this to be 770. I don't know why, I just have a feeling. Boom, there it is. Come on, market. Come to me, market. Come to me. Here's the nice part. Here's the nice part. Because we're being market makers and not market takers, meaning we're using limit orders, not market orders, we actually get paid to open them. So you can see right here, fee paid, -1 cent. So we got paid 1 cent to open it because we were making the market, not taking the market. Don't you go away from my long. That's something I do love about Phemex. Coinbase used to do 0 fees, and I like 0 fees also on maker orders. That's also good. Negative is obviously better. Coinbase doesn't do that anymore. Coinbase Pro. They used to do that, and that's when I used to trade all the time on Coinbase Pro. They took that away. I stopped trading there. I highly recommend, if you want to trade, if you're a trader, get into the market making mindset. Ooh, nice. We are going back to that resistance, baby. We gotta take it. We gotta take it. Hold up, hold up. Hold up. Where do we got? 2896. That'll do. That'll do. Hold up. I have to pause my story. Perfect. 28970. 28960. Yeah, perfect. 28960. 940. Close enough. Roll over, money flow. Don't you dare stop right here. Don't you dare stop right here on the one. Don't you dare. Don't do that to me. You're 5 minutes about to roll over. We have the setup. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 higher lows. 1, 2 higher highs. Let's get a third higher high. Let's ride this baby. Let's ride this baby to 29.2. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, LFG. It's almost like when I place these orders, it's like magnetic. Like price is like instantly interested in wherever I place them. We're about to get filled again, babe. That's right. That's right. 292. 292. 292. 292.30. 292.11. Just mix it up. Come on. Come on up. Come on down to the Price is Right with Tom Crown. Let's go. Let's go. LFG. And just clone. No, hasn't filled. It's about to fill. I'll just place it here because it's about to fill on this 1 minute candle. Let's go. Boom. And we got another fill. Hey, this is actually getting a little spicy. This is getting a little spicy. Dang, all right. We just said it, that 5 minute, the momentum shifted. Momentum shifted. We were down $30. We're not down $30 anymore. Now it's only 16. Woo. We're working our way back, baby. Let's go. 29,000. Look at that momentum shift off that wick. That is awesome. We're going to get that 1, 2, 3 wave. Looks like it. Money flow is like just about to roll over, just about to cross over. You can you have to zoom in all the way to see it. It's right here, negative 0.69. Nice. VWAP, nice and rigid. Nice and rigid. Higher high on the 1, higher low on the 1. And VWAP's actually kind of ugly. Has a 15-minute corrected yet? No, it still looks like crap. Get up there, bud. 15 minutes is saying, don't get excited yet. This could all just get sold off. And it very well may. Where do we fill last? 289. 60. Alright, so right there. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Where do I want it? Where are we looking? Where are we looking? We hit that major resistance. This big old red zone. We hit it. We smacked it. Sellers came in. Ooh. But if we can close green candles above the bottom, above this red line, what, 28941. If we can close green candles above here, we did break it. We could, nope. I was going to say we could have held it as support. Doesn't look like that's happening. 28779, 2877. Let's move this up a bump. We're going to be looking for that 0.5 retrace. We're going to look for a strong bounce to that 0.5 retrace. Ooh, maybe not. Maybe not. This is some beautiful price action, man. That's some beautiful price action. If they can break this high, if they can break 29K here, that's beautiful. It's like reject, break support, reject it as resistance, break resistance, test it as support, break resistance, test it as support, break resistance, test it as support. If we can break that again, we're moving up to 29.2. LFG. Smash the like button for the most exciting. This might be the most trades we've gotten in the shortest amount of time. Subscribe. We're here every day trading live. Found more sellers. We're here every day live, and apparently a lot of you have been subscribing. I just haven't been paying attention because I've been in the zone. What's up, G Knowles? Iconic Dreams. That sounds familiar. Roger, MCP, Paul Hong, Marin, Huzjak, One Lit, 9F99, Joe Frittich, Brian Demark, Diffin Fadilla, Nade Sergio, Kelvin Walker, Brian Eiler, Ronald Brea, Gabriel Vashal, and Lee Essex all subscribe. All subscribe today. If you're watching this right now and you haven't subscribed, why not? Subscribing and liking during the live stream helps promote, helps. What it does is it pushes YouTube to show it to more people. Engagement. So that means chatting, voting in the polls, liking, subscribing. Look at that. Look at that rejection from that trend line on the 1 minute. Look at that. Boom. Maybe not. All of those things are engagement, and when you engage with the stream, YouTube says, hey, this is a good stream. I will show it to new people. You guys have been doing a great job, and it's shown as our channel has exploded since we've really been getting... We've been hammering 420 likes every stream, and every stream we've been walking away with like 200 new subscribers, and that's all thanks to you guys. It's all you. All I do is sit here and make dumb trades. You guys are the reason this channel grows, not me. Nice. Right on the 1 minute. Actually a little hesitation here. Not quite a rejection. Money flow is starting to trend back down on the one, so is momentum. But there seems to be a little hesitation at this, at the bottom of our resistance zone. And I think that's because the 5 minute wants to make a move, baby. We're back in green. 5 minute. 5 minute now. Positive money flow. What we're waiting for is this 15 minute to fucking do something. This is just so savage. We want this 15 minutes to roll over and just won't give it to us. We got a higher high on our VWAP. We got a lower low on our VWAP. So it's still kind of like mixed signals here. We did TPs. We did add shorts up here. So if it falls back down, it's really not really going to bother us. Oh yeah, here's another bonus. If you subscribe while we're live, I'll shout you out. I don't know, people love that. Like Sean Begin. That guy's a man. C Low Challenger. Also, equally. The man. Hakeem Ramia. Horizon. Anis. Diamond. Also, if you have a foreign name to me, you get to hear me try to pronounce it, which is usually hilarious, I would assume. Alexandre Delihi. Old and in the way. You're not old and in the way, buddy. Never say that about yourself. You're awesome. You're awesome. 5 is not following through. I want to see this 5 minute close. I want to see this 5 minute close. I don't think this 5 minute could close green, but I don't think it's going to close green. I think it's going to close red. Below, preferably above though, that bottom line here at 28,941. If it closes above, I'm definitely looking for a breakout, but I'm not feeling it. I'm feeling that 28,880 is in the cards. Where do we fill that short? 28,960. Why not? Why not? Why not just add back there? It's so aggressive and so stupid that we should not do it. Please, none of this is financial advice. Never trade like this. I trade like this because it's entertaining. I find it entertaining. But it's not smart. Do we want to add back? If we add back, we have to immediately take profit again, which is like the crappy part. Immediately. Because this is super aggressive. What's up, Montas? I asked and you delivered, man. Lazdakis. Thank you for being here. We're live all the time. Live trading, losing money. We lose money, so you don't have to. What is going on? Nice. On the 1 minute here, here's some interesting knowledge to drop on you. So we're on the 1 minute. Don't do this on the 1 minute, but on larger time frames, this is a pretty good signal. When you have an oversold on the RSI status, right here, that happened. When you leave oversold, if you return to the oversold line without overselling, without dropping below 30, and then you reverse, which is exactly what we saw right here. That is called a swing rejection. And that is typically a strong reversal signal. This is on the 1 minute, so it's a strong reversal signal on the 1 minute. And look, that was right down here where we added on that long. Boom. I didn't see that, or I probably would have added harder. Little knowledge, little alpha. There we go. So the 5 minute close, just as I was suspecting, below. Does not look like it held the resistance there as support. It is coming back up, though. All right. The 15 closed. All right. 15. I think the 15 is finally in agreement. I think it's finally in agreement with the long. The hourly looking like it too. We had a bearish engulf when we started this stream. We had a bearish engulf, and that was not a great way to start. We do have half this hourly candle left, so it's way too early to say we're bullish engulfed. But at the moment, intra-candle we are. That's showing a little strength. What we're going to look for here is the previous hourly at 29,000. We're going to look to break that high. If this hourly breaks that high, even before it closes, that's going to be a decent sign that we're looking to finally go back to 29.2. And on the 5, we're seeing the 1, 2, 3 candle long setup. I wouldn't take it. I'm not going to take it because I don't want to take anything but a short in this resistance zone until we break above it. Then I can look to take a long on it. But right now, this is still resistance. It's still rejected price many times. And so we're not going to do that, as yes, that is what's very likely to happen. It's likely to sell back down. Yeah, that 45 minute, it called it. Everything else was a little sketchy, and the 45 was like, nah, bro, you're good. You're good. It closed bearish engulf as well, and then immediately closed bullish engulf. And now, 3 minutes into the new 45-minute candle, it's raging. That's sweet. Boom, we're above. We're above. Let's go. LFG. LFG with a real big comeback. Let's go. Come on. On Coinbase, we already have the higher high. On Phemex, we haven't yet. Derivatives don't tend to keep up perfectly with spot, and that's okay. That's okay. We didn't get an add back, so I'm not going to take any I'm not gonna short it all here. I will take that one contract way back down here, though. Bullish engulf close on the half hour. That's a kicker candle, too. That's a strong candle. If only we had been super aggressive. We still wouldn't have gotten it, though, because we were going to put it at 28.8. Or we did put it. Wait, did we? Yeah. We wouldn't have gotten it either way. It never came back to the support. That's a nice uptrend sign, though. Here we go. 1 minute. 1 minute rolled over. Rolling over. Just as suspected. 5 minute rolled over. It's playing out. It's playing out. Now, there's no guarantee, guys, when I say these things. Like, this is what I'm expecting for the 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. But, of course, this could just do that. Like, this is never guaranteed. I don't like that the VWAP's coming down. I do like that we have positive money flow, though. That's a positive with momentum up. That VWAP is heavy, though. But I like that the 1 minute's raging. Does like to see maybe a little pullback on the 1. As long as we don't exceed our low. We're going to look for another wave to the upside, and price agrees. Let's LFG. Let's go. 29.2. Woo, woo. Smash the like button when I get stuff right. Smash the like button when I get stuff wrong. That's right. Usually it's wrong, so hopefully I'm getting a lot of wrong like smashes. Stay High 175. That's a quality name. Welcome, Stay High. We got 420 likes. That's all I can do for you. 72 Tony Marino. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Do I have an order of 22.9? Yep. Let's see if we hit it, though. We're going to make this bigger. We're going to make this bigger, and we're going to try to play it back to the open. So let's do like... I'm going to take away the numbers. There's no point. I don't like this system. And I'm not consistent, so there's no point. So we have these ad shorts, but our net position is long. So we're taking shorts into our long. That makes sense. It might not. 29,200. Next target. Can we hit it? We're going to increase this to like 3. 3 contracts. LFG on a real big comeback. I wish I could play that song. YouTube they don't let you play anything. They don't let you play any music. It sucks. Right. We've escaped. It looks like we've escaped. Looks like we've escaped this resistance zone. Nice little consolidation, then a bullish engulf. That 3 candle setup. The 3 candle setup that I literally said I wouldn't take because we're in the resistance zone. was the play. The pattern didn't lie. Nah, that's just my style, though. I'm not going to do that. Others might. I'm not. Come on. Just go to 29 too. Just go. Just go there. Just go there. Huh. Just go there. What's in your way? I mean, you got a little bit of resistance, but like nothing serious. Mr. Frankie Candles. Mr. Frankie Candles. Mr. Frankie Candles, I can't do May 26th, but we're going to make this happen. We're going to make this happen, my friend. Absolutely. Let me see. Let me find this. Thanks for being here, my friend. It's good to see you. Frankie Candles, another is up and coming YouTuber chartist here. Here's his channel. Sub to Frankie Candles. There's his link. It's in the chat. You DM me. I'll get to it. How long have I been live? 85 minutes. I want this 29-2 to fill. I want this 29-2 to fill. And then I can be happy. Then I can be happy. Then I can go about my day. 29-1, we're $100 away. What is that? 1/3%? 0.45? Okay. Okay, come on, keep going. Don't stop here. If you stop here, you're gonna come back down and go to that zero line. You're probably gonna give us like a zero wave. You're gonna do this. Don't be a dick. Just go up. Don't be a dick. There we go. Now you're listening. Tune in to watch me yell at candles. Every day, pretty much. Guy yells at candles. What's up, Double Ace? AA. What up, my dude? Thanks for subscribing. Good to have you. It's good to have all 730 of you. Can we get 690 likes so we can just say nice? We got 651. That's like 9. We could do that. That's possible. I believe in you guys. You guys are the best. Guy yells at candles. 1,000 plus. Frankie Candle said 1,000 plus. We gotta get 1,000 plus likes. That's what's up. What's up with Luna today? Let's look at Luna. While Bitcoin dicks around, let's look at Luna. Let's do a Luna look. Let's put alerts though, so we know. I kind of wanna add at 28.9, but we didn't really take profit higher than that. 28.9 or 28.99. We took profit at 29.211. I mean, we're still getting that negative maker fee. Think about it. Well, we can't look at this old Luna chart. That's gone. So I know that Kraken has it because I did actually go buy. Do not do this at home. I actually did go and buy a small amount. Well, a large number of, but a very small dollar value of Luna yesterday. And I fully expect that to go to zero. This is a stupid thing to do with your money, but I'm a YouTuber. I do it for the views, baby. And somehow I'm up. I don't know. Somehow I'm up. I bought at 0.00014. I think. I thought there was another zero involved. Somehow I'm up a huge percent. 200%. That's not gonna continue. This is gonna drop. This is gonna drop right down. Here's the thing about numbers is you just keep adding zeros. You just keep adding them. You just move the decimal over and over and over. Actually, that's kind of spicy. It looks like I was very close to the daily close where I bought. Please don't do this though, guys. Like seriously, this is the stupidest degenous thing ever. It's absolutely not financial advice. They're just gonna keep minting supply of Luna, so the price is never gonna go back to this all-time high unless I cannot even think of a scenario where that could happen. Don't do this. I'm doing it for content. You almost certainly will lose money. But what happened? I don't know. At some point... Wait, did I buy lower? Because I swear there was another zero. No, I guess not. Think of it this way. At some point, the entire supply of Luna, if it keeps adding zeros, will be, I don't know, you'll be able to move the market. Actually, no, that's true now. This market is completely illiquid because everyone's just dumping. There are no, like, there's probably almost no sell orders. There's probably nothing in the way. So at some point it just bounces because someone market orders like me, like market ordering like $100. And then that pushes price up. Here's the problem. Price might have gone up, but I might not even be able to market order that money back out. So it's like I'm up 200, I might be up 2x, but if I go to sell it, I might slip the price down below where I bought it. Oh, you fell back down, you son of a bee. You better hold this as support or I'm going to slap you. I'm going to slap the chart. $29. I don't know. I don't want to add at 29. No, you can't make me. You can't make me. I won't do it. Go back up because I'm not going to add. That's right. You heard it. You heard it, Wales. I'm not going to add, so go back up. I don't want it. Just push back up. That's a spicy 1 minute. Son of a bitch. Don't you do it. We have not gotten here. Go back up. That's the only answer I have. Go back up. They're not going down. Just don't bullshit me, dude. 15 minutes says so. Listen to the 15. In the 30. Sweet. Whisper sweet nothings. This is what I should do. This is what I quote should do, even though I very shouldn't do. I very shouldn't, but this is what I should do. But I won't. I won't because it's just like right at where we shorted. And look, exactly. Price is like, nah, dude, you wouldn't have gotten filled anyway. So there. What up, Leighton Poon? Mr. Leighton Poon. Good to have you here, Mr. Leighton Poon. Tony Wen. Martin Christian. What great names. Thanks for subscribing, guys. We're here, trading live all the time. Tune in. Catch our live streams. I also put out short content. I upload it to YouTube, but it's for TikTok. Guys, it's very low intelligence. Please don't judge me by my shorts. Don't judge a man by his shorts. Judge him by his live streams. ZZ Poppy loves ZZ, knows it. Judge him by his lives. I don't know what, dude, I'm a boomer. Not really, but I'm a boomer. I don't get shorts. But God, if people on TikTok don't love watching just anything, I don't know. So that's why I make them. And then you might as well post them to YouTube if you're going to post them on TikTok. It doesn't take much effort. Just ignore them, though. Don't listen to them. My shorts are shit posts. There you go. They are the equivalent of a shit post. They are shit posts. They are not to be taken seriously. Just FYI. Because I'm sure people are wondering. Oh, goddamn. This was so close. I wanted this to be a higher low. We got a lower low. It's not going to be quite as strong. Money flow is trending up, which is good, and VWAP is trending up. If this was a higher low, it would have been amazing. I still do think we're going for this 90 or 29.2. But that lower catch sucks. That lower catch sucks. 4 seconds. Sky's the limit. True that. True that. Thanks for subscribing, brother. Don't forget to jump in the Discord. Get that airdrop after the stream so you can watch me lose money, and then I'll give you a little bit of my money afterwards if you're in the Discord. Just verify by clicking the green checkmark emoji in the verify room. Very easy. Let's go. This actually turned out like a better stream than I thought. I think really how I'd play this is if this short hits, which I think it will, might not, but if it does, then I will add down here. But I'm not going to add down here unless this hits first. Ooh. Ooh. That's the alarm. The lady's home, and I want to spend some time with the lady. She was out and about doing latest stuff. But now she's home. So, yeah. Yeah, we did some trades. Watch out for 29.2. It's a-coming. It's a-coming. 29.2's coming. What else? What else? Where's this chat? Where's this chat? Here it is. Let's end this poll with almost 2,000 votes. We'll get more next time. Basketballs. Giggity, giggity, giggity. 39% of us thinking sideways, 35 down, 24 are saying up. I'm going to side with the sideways. It's the weekend. CME closed at 30K. I'm looking for a 30K open on CME. If we get upside action, we'll be live, baby. You know it. Join the Discord. Check out the sponsors. Link in the video description below. Use my links that supports the channel. Use code CROWN. Market Cipher is my favorite indicator. Very valuable indicator. Use promo code CROWN for 15% off. Watch it. As soon as I hit end stream, we're going to hit 29.2. We're going to fill. And you're going to be left wondering. Crown out.